Right. So, this is the guide for the speedrun strategy of beating Black Knight. And it is actually pretty difficult at first. It took me quite some time to practice it. But now, I can basically get it every run. So, it's not impossible. But don't be disappointed if you didn't get it first try. So, basically, the strategy is pretty repetitive, and it basically exploits the fact that when he hit Black Knight on his forehead, it pushes him back some distance, and he can't do anything for like basically a second. So, the entire strategy is basically running a bit to the right. I usually like to use the end of the black part of the rightmost tree as a visual cue, like the main, like the wooden part, the main black part going down. Uh, I I like to use this as some sort of a visual cue, and then you do a jump, and you want to hit Black Knight's forehead. Once you do that, he'll get pushed back, and what you want to do is instantly jump, hit him there again, and then you're just going to keep him in this cycle. It's slightly more difficult when he gets totally to the right side, and you have to keep him in this cycle, which, involves like moving left, moving right, but it's not that difficult. And then when he's at 1 HP, what he can do is do a small jump and pogo off of him, because this will actually damage him on the first frame, on his first frame that he loses his invincibility, so you can hit him again. So let me demonstrate the strategy. I hope I don't fail it. So I did a little fail here, but I can still finish the fight. Yeah, it was sort of laggy at the start, so because of the recording, so I didn't manage to get the first couple hits, so he kind of tried to get away, but I kept him, and that is basically the strategy. That is like the quintessence of it. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've learned something.